Hey guys, I'm back. Today I'm going to be unboxing a VIVO Y33T phone. So cool. Wow, look at the phone's color. So cute. Beautiful pink and blue combination. Wow, awesome. Do you know that this phone has a very good camera quality? The VIVO Y33T on the rear packs a triple camera setup featuring a 50 megapixel primary camera, a 2 megapixel camera and another 2 megapixel camera. The rear camera setup has autofocus. It also supports very fast charging. Wow! Bye guys, hope you like my new video and my new phone. Also, do subscribe to my channel if you want to watch such more interesting and beautiful videos. Well, now we should say bye. Bye guys. Have a great day or night.